Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a Base wallet on MetaMask. First, ensure you have the MetaMask browser extension installed. If you're new, create a new wallet by following the on-screen prompts, securing your seed phrase carefully. If you already have a wallet, simply import it. MetaMask allows you to manage multiple blockchain networks, which is key for Base. Now, let's add the Base network. Open your MetaMask extension and click the network selector at the top. From the drop-down menu, choose Add Network. This will open a new tab. At the bottom of the network list, you'll find the option to add a network manually. Click this to input the Base network details. Here are the specific details for the Base network. For network name, type Base mainnet. The new RPC URL is https://mainnet.base.org. The chain ID is 8453 and the currency symbol is ETH. Finally, for the Block Explorer URL, enter https://base.blockscout.com/. Double-check these entries for accuracy, then click Save. With the Base network added, you can now easily switch to it from your MetaMask network selector. Your existing Ethereum wallet address will function on the Base network, allowing you to send and receive tokens. You are now ready to connect to various decentralized applications and explore the growing ecosystem on the Base blockchain.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.